Hi, my name is Justin Tyler. Welcome to the Demetrix Rare Access Series. Today I'm joined by Torre Meeks, Facilities Coordinator and Employee Experience. Thanks for joining us, Torre.
Yeah, of course. Pleasure to be here.
So Torre, would you mind just starting off letting everybody know your background and current role at Demetrix?
Yeah, so currently I'm the Facilities Coordinator here at Demetrix. My path to getting here was one that's maybe not typical for everyone in a lab setting. I spent some time after going to college at San Diego State, actually being an educator and teacher at an elementary school, and then later on working at UC Berkeley in the rec sports department. And kind of through doing that and learning the ins and outs of what it takes to work at such a large setting, I was able to see kind of some areas that I might want to focus on, which eventually led me to facilities here at Demetrix.
So kind of leading to your role at Demetrix, we've had a lot of changes and improvements over the last year, and so, would you mind just kind of letting us know, about your team, some of the goals that you guys all have in facilities?
Yeah, so I came on about a year ago, and in that time we've made some pretty huge strides, some of which are the main one, including our expansion of space. Our original 17,500 square foot building, refining what we have going on there and expanding another 17,000 square feet for a total of about 30 to 35,000 square feet. That's been our real focus in elevating the lab experience for our lab users and just making sure that all the scientists have what they need each day to succeed and continue pushing the mission of Demetrix.
And so what was it like, being, part of that build out? Obviously, like you said, it was a big expansion of space, going from one building to two, kind of moving, teams, facilities, and, robots and all those things. What did that look like for you guys?
Yeah, I came in at an interesting time, given that the design and the beginning of the build out had already started when I arrived here at Demetrix. And it was really fun jumping on a team that had so much in place and really being able to see the building come from pretty much ground up and seeing it to where it is now has been really amazing to see something start from scratch and now a really high level operating lab. So logistically, there was a lot of moving pieces of that, as you said, moving from one building to two, double the space, double the things to make sure that we have tightened up for our lab users to really have everything they need.
Was there any aspects of previous roles that kind of helped, even though it was kind of a different industry, but any of those past experiences that kind of translated over to biotech and what we're doing here?
Yeah, I think what's really important in my role now is that you need to be able to do a little bit of everything. I'm working with each team across the whole company in different lab settings, standard building maintenance, as well as direct lab experience and PMs and work on equipment. So I think the biggest thing I learned is that you just need to continue to be able to expand what you're currently doing and be ready to learn and be hungry for more.
Awesome. So just wrapping it up here, I know you've been at Demetrix over a year now, and so what are some of your favorite things about working at the company?
There's a lot. I think my two favorite things I'll say is that it's just a really fun, fast-paced work environment, and that we're a company that's successfully growing at a pretty rapid rate, which requires all of us to continue to grow ourselves professionally. And secondarily, my second point is just working towards a common goal. There's a really good shared sense of accomplishment when we're able to get things done, knowing that our teams, though they're working in different areas, are all working towards the same goal is something that feels really amazing each day when I come into the office.
Awesome, Torre. Well, appreciate you sharing everything. It sounds like there's a lot of things that have happened and to come. So yeah, everybody, my name is Justin. This is the Rare Access Series. And thanks again for joining us, Torre.
My pleasure. Thank you.